Module 7, Water Supply Systems and Distribution Networks. 1. Fundamentals of water supply. Sources of water: surface water, rivers, lakes, reservoirs, dams. Groundwater: wells, boreholes, aquifers. Municipal supply: centralized treated water systems. Water quality considerations. Potability standards, WHO guidelines. Hardness, turbidity, microbial contamination. Chlorination and disinfection practices. Water demand analysis. Per capita consumption rates, liters per day. Peak demand versus average demand. Firefighting reserve requirements. 2. Principles of water distribution. Hydraulic principles: pressure head, velocity head, elevation head. Bernoulli's principle applied to water flow. Friction losses, Darcy-Weisbach and Hazen-Williams equations. Types of distribution systems. Direct system: water supplied directly from mains. Indirect system: water stored in tanks before use. Combination systems: mix of direct and indirect methods. Design criteria: sufficient pressure at outlets. Avoidance of stagnation zones. Economic pipe sizing for cost effectiveness. 3. Components of water supply networks: service pipes. From municipal mains to premises. Distribution pipes: branching network inside premises. Valves: gate valves. Isolation. Check valves: prevent backflow. Pressure reducing valves: control high pressure. Meters: water consumption measurement. Storage tanks and reservoirs. Elevated storage tanks, overhead. Underground cisterns. Hydropneumatic tanks for pressure regulation. 4. Water pressure and pumping systems. Natural pressure systems relying on gravity from elevated sources. Mechanical pressure systems. Centrifugal pumps, submersible pumps, booster pumps. Pump sizing calculations. Pressure zones in tall buildings. Zoning by intermediate tanks. Pressure reducing stations. Use of variable frequency drives, VFDS. 5. Pipe sizing and layout. Pipe sizing methods. Empirical tables and codes, e.g., IPC-UPC. Hunter's curve for demand estimation. Pipe layout design loop system ensures redundancy. Radial system common in housing colonies. Grid system, municipal layouts. Hydraulic balancing, ensuring equal pressure across outlets. Use of balancing valves. 6. Safety and backflow. Prevention, cross-connection control. Separation of potable and non-potable lines. Use of air gaps, vacuum breakers. Backflow. Prevention devices, reduced pressure zone, RPZ devices. Double check valves. Atmospheric vacuum breakers. 7. Maintenance and troubleshooting common problems in supply systems. Low pressure and water hammer. Leakages and pipe bursts. Airlocks in pipelines. Inspection and maintenance pressure testing of pipelines. Flushing of distribution lines. Regular valve operation checks. Emergency response shut-off procedures in case of main breaks. Use of bypass lines.